All right, guys, this is our May 2025 camping and hiking trip. Basically, you're going to see the hike there in the beginning, kind of a walk around our campsite, and then, the hike back. But I'm not going to, I had to cut the sound out of this because we did a lot of talking back and forth, and I didn't want to keep those conversations in this video. I wanted to basically just cut all that background noise out. And I'm not going to be talking through most of this video because really I'm just kind of walking around and showing you the campsite, and also there's the hike to get there, really short hike, but a short hike to get there. And yeah, I'm not really pointing anything out or anything. I'm not a whole lot to talk about, so most of this video is not going to have me talking. So I had to throw some music in the background, so that's why you're hearing music and you're not hearing like the sounds of the forest or birds chirping or anything like that. My footsteps, all that, everything got cut out, and I just put music in the background. So apologies for the music if you didn't want a video with music in it. But yeah, keep watching and skip ahead if you want to, just jump to the part where we are at our campsite. I have another video I'm putting out where I just walk around the campsite. So if you want to check my video list, and you can find the video where I just have the campsite and nothing else. I have that one too. But anyway, from here on out, we're basically just walking around showing you stuff. So if you watch this whole video and you want to see more stuff like this, remember to hit that subscribe button and maybe give me a thumbs up. But that's it for today, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.